That I'm patching me Joe.
Yeah, no headlines.
And that Mammy for starting Fiasia Hanumansa. Now, there be real sort of dear, and they at all. Because they are, we so will be can't.
They may
no until when they
can't be.
Tama, whilst Otwadu says Kwesi Appiah and his Sudanese team were lucky, Kwesi Appiah replies, "Come here and I'll beat you heavily." Tama, was it or has been a massive win?
Oh, you see the word massive.
I said a huge win. Say massive.
Oh, you see huge.
Oh, Tama.
I say, yeah, na yes, be cement wet song. So, open massive and a huge winner. You are hoping to score Ghana like 3-4.
Yes. And when if you to hope, I say, Sudan shake Ghana 2-0 quite massive.
Headline a buy a crown and say, you're 2-0 massive. Headline.
Sudan, no.
Bacho. The almost say Kwesi Appiah and Ekan in your say. It was a difficult game, but we've managed to fight to get a draw. We are now going to play the return leg in Benghazi. It's not going to be easy. But inshallah, we are going to fight and make sure we get a big victory.
Big.
For Sudan.
Big, massive, huge.
And how to grow.
Not so big, then you huge. And a massive.
Big victory. Victory as soon
as soon as
and yes, score line.
And I tell you, score line, a Nigerian banner. Obisha 1-0, washow, but Obisha 2-0, 3-0, 4. So,
not the credit about them.
And no. I see nobody will get a win here at Wenchi. Beating Kotoko and Haas is the easiest thing you do. Shelempele. Tama onipa na kasa o.
Ora domfe.
Say Haas ko.
Yeah.
O say Kotoko ne Haas wo show ma wo mre. Wenchi Sunday Wenchi no to.
Na so no mo order.
On be right no. Sa na opese o che.
You do okay there. O mo order nti bia.
Haas ko no na odi kan to mane Haas no.
O mo ne
So, Tama, we used to know missing in action. But this one is missing before action. Two Sudanese players nowhere to be found.
How are you? Oh, Sudan. Kwesi Appiah team. Kwesi Appiah go for.
Tama, where Kwesi Appiah go for?
Sudanese students, Kwesi Appiah. And I do Sudan for Bah.
Oh, DC.
Okay. Are you for no? This is Sudan for when or
Tama. Hey, Tama. I don't have a bit, but I catch on no say so. Tama. Information about no
anything.
And he said Kotoko players me no. So some you know how ya me pay ya ho djuma to. Why? E be djuma pa. Oh, now way public knowledge happen. Tama, information about me say Kotoko players me no dom ko Sudan no. Omo ye hwe omo ye hu omo. Absent without leave. They've gone at war.
Hey, sir. Omo go
omo dwane.
Sir. Every team in the camp.
Omo ni ho. But nya dia ball no mbebo bi. Ye hu omo omo mbebo bi.
Hey, sir.
And in there. Chene ya titini there. There titini there.
Hey, sir.
Ye hu omo. Omo ni ho.
Omo go
Tama, na me ti kuma say. Omo so ko.
So omo go.
Omo ni camp. Omo pie omo dwane.
Since when?
Information just na na jokra. America na jo nya Ghana na jo no.
Sir?
Ti omo ni ho.
And omo akaje ngofo so omo mabiem.
Tama. Ade no de se na keka kono de. Ball no nya de omo bobo bi.
Oh, I don't know me sir.
Tama omo ko.
Obi a wako ba bi so ko ball say ye nya mo ball no say me ko.
Asem danger chirimu.
Domo film.
Tebi omonya to omonka.
Omo anya adwen ne kotoko players na omo ne Ghana ombe form Ghana select side no. Omo anka. So omo ye Sudan for ade na mpese wo do mo ko dwen ne Ghana select side.
Hey.
To omo ko.
Omo danger. Enya asem na o kan e dangerous o na botre.
Na obe wo de na nimba ho. Wa yo.
Minim hwenti na me bisa no. Ni bisa no.
The yet ne say two players no mo ni camp.
Hey.
Omo nka ti say players are camp no. And I sent one of my men to speak to one of the players and the player confirms. And I've spoken to a manager who also manages one of the players and he has also confirmed. In fact, he gave me all this information. Now, another one I may pick and say, one Ghanaian former radio presenter in Kumasi, now a resident in the USA by name Nana Poku, also pick two players with a pickup. I don't know, crown or habit my more than two. No,
I send them. Nana Poku Ben and a radio presenter in Kumasi.
Tama say a voice of Kumasi or my Mohammed.
Anyway, presenter high in
Nana Poku. Nana na make yes, say friend Nana Poku.
No way.
I'm so I mo Kumasi
no way.
No.
Sir.
And the Kumasi journalist confirm to minimum team no.
Say Nana
Poku cry na kofa wo mo dom ko e tu pick up.
Sudan for no.
Wan ka Sudan for no.
On rock of up a players no.
Miss Nana Poku afa nipa 2 dom ko.
E dom ko e.
Tamo dom ko.
I no say that be.
How the mo on same so too.
Oh, so bad.
Danger some
so what? So you do the more mbacho.
No, I see a questions. But you see asem
na you busa say unim bibi fa o there be. To the jai.
Also ko check aba.
Nana Poku no so aye there.
Nana Poku I dey pick up. FA players me enu koye.
E ko hin.
Odom tama baby odom ko but odom fi camp om ko.
Da ben no no.
Onu so me titi say om ko du ye ni mu a. And the mean to be in Casa say no na you know. Say be cry no pay you. Say match you. But the information is that one Nana Poku who worked in a radio station in Kumasi. And the radio presenter in Kumasi knows him.
Kope details kakra man.
Oh yeah, me yagu so
because
we have sent people on errands and
but so far no also my
Tama we enya so mbu kakra ma o emunye du.
No, but I say it's rather say Nana Poku abefa Ghana players too there. Ghana Poku abefa Ghana players there.
So Samidi asa na okay so mkudu.
Into there you ready what you seem to confirm, which is the Sudanese there.
Sudan for there and there you
for Nana Poku there. Nana Poku there I say facts no scanty.
Tama nti upa just say Nana Poku Sudan for no kofa o mana.
Me kwam Nana Poku bia. O na wo introduce Nana so far what is going around. Me ba no pay na mka just around be 10 11. And obi send the brem say Sudanese players be MS. Now I checked from Kotoko. And no confirm yes they cannot find them. And they have reported the matter to FBI.
FBI problem.
I said also where
I don't person will report
a camera issue. So they need to report. Say will be this year na do to kwan. E bi kura sebio. Adwena ya adwene so mo dwane. Say bi kura ayi kofo bi na be form kura sebi ko yom bibi. So the safety of a man for they under your care. Enti eno na iguzo aye dwendwena also de Nana Poku e de aba se Nana Poku no so aba abefa mienu e de koyi. Enti yenya I remember to na so bed pa o se enyan man nkomra. Ukoba e
I said confirm.
Say Nana Poku there.
Debi.
Oh, debi when they say confirm. And there is there. They've reported the matter officially. I know there. Nana Poku there na me
Nana Poku there. But no to there me nya kan the players passport ni nyina o hini brenya.
Oh.
I say obi a woko baby there na usually. Usually if you travel like that, your passports are with
the team manager.
The team manager.
Yeah, I did your passport now.
But obi a woko baby there passport or there.
But me to 5 years visa. Now I sign 1 year contract.
Visa de koi.
Now and so bet me about no
visa de koi.
Ya de ko US.
And then US one now. And 100 years visa. That means you are.
Yeah, I'm say Sunday na weekend. I'm say ndo nyumra na esinya call from America say the AC ni. But I'm say as judgment na say enya abotre to gather all the necessary information because you're mistaken na anti enya abotre to confirm what is happening. Anti anadwi around 1 a.m. and the news came back say now they fully confirmed because after I'm returning from training no and the bama about phone and napoku the other day mean to me and can wasn't because when they returned from training all the contingent were there apart from the two Sudanese so and as at the time they were sleeping yesterday no court player apart from the two Sudanese were
the case we had to send it die.
Okay.
Na ye mfani de nto Senegal. Na ye
because you can say the pimpe.
Oh. Asma ya can say o de nte sa o. Ba say de nyina ye nim.
And as I say you can say
Sudan for
at the hotel.
Na boku de de Senegal no on train na chi e be ba ho.
Sudan for no pick up in the far woman.
Oh, that ba for.
Story no I break it with the CCTV camera no. I'm going to break story now. How much? Adding the information that CCTV camera no who say a car picked the two Sudanese at the hotel. And on the moko entino.
Break. I don't know who's on break here.
Oh, say the story there.
Break.
So or breaking it on social media no work.
No, okay.
Oh, say a story there. It's coming public from my source and
which was time babe.
Oh say
what it to public now but saying
oh say no pay besides Solomon they saw it sorry na
public
the screenshot na
Every man da chese
oh what
tempente kwa
boss I say
but yeah what I want say a symbol of that huge magnitude no
What's the name of say me and I'm saying me trying to get further and better particulars because now
but me somebody sent this to me at 10:30.
Yeah. No because no
social media there.
I'm for
friend as Samira can as Samomo Zakito why there why ebo abaso.
And asem when yan say as at now at the hotel why we can confirm and say apart from this
we so say visa na the mom no a 3-month single entry and not 5 years. Okay. I think two people seem to a 3-month single entry. Because usually in America, you may be lucky to get the 5, but first time, see, no, they give you 3 months single entry. But I've been lucky to win. I remember the first time. Today you get some 3 months single entry. The next time I went, they give you 5 years.
5 years. Okay.
And then they will introduce you the IVs. I say, Juma the Emma 1 year. And those things. And thanks for the same of Ben Michael more. They seem to know more.
No, that is that.
They got 3 months, not 5 years.
Yeah. That is
single entry. Yes. And the just one bad no Obed.
And to no. So to say
there's a no kilo bed question.
When the team were no omukwa training no so to. And omusi from na boys near Air 5.
Omusi from free
hotel ekwa training.
Instead of 7.
No more 5. And they went back looking for
Omuko training. Okay, so that seemed to confirm this.
Yes.
Zach, or say I'm also having some way for say they went to call them in the afternoon around 1:30 for training. Both of them were not in their rooms.
Yes.
Okay.
And
so
it's no more about
we hear say now a Nanapoku is different from the Nanapoku and the way I one side.
But it's no more omo but they were not there. So omo back in there omo nyama no ho ba no mo no. And they see and say they say bia ebi na for omo kwakwa gi omani. So but they will return. So after they return from training, still no Mumbai.
I go for and go training.
Go training no. still omo mbae ama ade asama amuni
mo na
enti ade asama kotoko boys na kwa the late in the night still omo mbae asat minu ka say this morning yeah say omo the still omo da so late in the year omo ye ahomache o honom no still and the boys hasn't returned say no weekend no omo report the ama he said these two guys are
two of our guys are missing.
And now me yeah no be say omukrom kwa there's a war and don't put the omadi.
Now there's a war of a crew. I go fast, man. They say already got away. Now no go for cars or mama be say. Who said a man for Zibufu? Yeah. Ah, said then agro crana kotoko team kasiese. But if things like that, so go give us an abenya problem. Who send go for chances. So my money say na
oh asaba ya
boy one pan there we do to charge abey
asaba ya botre
our when you say
how cry innocent faces who dey look at them born refer to them innocent faces mu go good team any man say kwa so ati ase ada busu yin jamuka aye ka man boss $10,000 omzi journalist so edwane journalist Dania azomo ka o zamu ehun say journalist so bebre ko ye omo so amba ba we dey me so be hu omo ana omo
no omo kro
and I know say interesting
there's war in their country
the authorities in America no we know masemo they are not going to waste time looking for these people.
America
so I report
team as a team.
So one, they will give them a feedback. Say ebia, some of ebia no sebi bibi at home. But I get to a stage, I make catch them say, oh, there's no issue of ye who more baby and because some retention now. So they obviously come with them. Some who are money there. Then it brings the issue of 23 players with injuries. So, team said 23 plus injuries.
FMA special dispensation.
Injuries, and this anema winning. I'm also some koya. Trip with the Kotoko power, Aquams Obed. Anna boy.
Asebu oha esreya.
Nana way.
Obed has been
Nana
too silent for my liking.
Obed.
It's not Obed.
Obed. Nana go to boy.
On the service I'm
Nana is outside Ghana at the moment.
And I said, I mean, cast still Obianka, I mean,
only US. Okay. I think he's outside Ghana.
Yeah. Some guys I'm not sure so Ghana.
Only he's outside Ghana.
But US for no.
Mama, munyayo.
Nana contemporary affair na ordinary about some man of his.
And this.
Nana Nanze ko Canada ko UK for those things.
Na so Canada ni US in Japan.
It is not
like that. The same visa no Canada.
It is not like that. Move beyond visa say refusing a visa.
It is not like
that. It is not like that. If you will be over crown, because they are man,
but you can of
like that. On your beer.
Bawana say America have refused people in higher position than this business. This is not the first time.
It's smart there no. This issue about this issue at this point in the
IMC should be the IMC should be sacked. The IMC should be sacked immediately. No. The IMC should be dissolved, sacked immediately. The IMC should be sacked immediately. The IMC should be sacked. The IMC should be sacked, dissolved immediately. Yes, Pama MC no. The IMC immediately say dissolve ne Pama MC no. they said yes, the bit man also here. IMC, IMC led by Nanoko 2.5 should be sacked, dissolved immediately. Young Palmer because this is proper high level of incompetency. Say player wopra. No be anim say wopra onti mbobo. Yes, I'm gonna for play say Uncle America. And not all of go.
According to sources, the car that picked them is a Delaware. It was that Delaware registered vehicle. Okay. We used to say opportunity comes at one.
I haven't seen a dog to Hamon.
No, they have to be sacked.
According to sources, the car that picked them is a Delaware registered vehicle. Kontompo has done really well. Where is Kofi Ricky and Piquet? They did the same thing. So I'm happy, pa. This will serve the management right. Nana say, Nana, okay, then say. So it's going to pay for the loan players. Okay, go and sack them. Hey, NATO, not NATO Francis. And more and more. So bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, going into the affairs.
I was just going to official handle of Kotoko for now. Which I know said they will take their time before they will report something like this.